A hull-tight test plan drawing for a ship is a critical document used to ensure the watertight integrity of the vessel's hull. This drawing outlines the procedures, locations, and criteria for conducting hull tightness tests, which are essential for verifying that the hull is free from leaks and capable of maintaining its structural integrity under various conditions. The purpose of this drawing is to ensure the safety and seaworthiness of the vessel by preventing water ingress, which could lead to structural damage or sinking. The hull-tight test plan drawing typically includes the following information. 1. Test locations. Detailed identification of specific areas on the hull that need to be tested. This includes seams, joints, welds, bulkheads, and any other critical points that could be potential sources of leaks. 2. Test methods. Description of the methods to be used for testing, such as air pressure tests, water pressure tests, vacuum box tests, hose tests, or ultrasonic testing. Each method's procedure and the criteria for acceptance or failure are specified. 3. Test equipment. Information about the equipment and instruments required for conducting the tests, such as pressure gauges, vacuum boxes, hoses, and sealing materials. 4. Test conditions. The conditions under which the tests should be conducted, including environmental factors like temperature and weather, as well as the state of the ship, e.g., afloat, in dry dock. 5. Acceptance criteria. Clearly defined criteria for what constitutes a successful test. This may include acceptable pressure levels, allowable leak rates, and specific guidelines for retesting if initial tests fail. 6. Safety precautions. Instructions on safety measures to be followed during testing to protect personnel and equipment. This includes guidelines for handling pressurized systems and dealing with potential hazards. 7. Documentation and reporting. Requirements for recording test results, including forms, checklists, and any other documentation needed to verify that tests have been conducted according to the plan. This also includes procedures for reporting and addressing any deficiencies found during testing. 8. Responsibilities. Identification of the personnel or departments responsible for conducting the tests, supervising the process, and ensuring compliance with the test plan. The hull-tight test plan drawing serves as a comprehensive guide to ensure that all aspects of the hull's watertight integrity are thoroughly examined and documented, contributing to the overall safety and reliability of the vessel.